Hello, everybody. Welcome to today's webinar. I'm joined here by the wonderful folks over at Yext, and today we're going to be talking about conversations in the cloud, and that's all about how to use AI to really unlock superior user experiences and digital experiences really anywhere in the world. I am joined here by Jondi, and if you'd like to say a couple words about yourself, feel free.
Hi, everyone. My name is Chandni. I work on product marketing here at Yext, and I'm really excited to talk about our alliance with Vulture. So looking forward to speaking with you all.
And I am David. Most people know me as DJ around here because there's far too many Davids in the world. And I am the product marketing manager here at Vulture. I've worked very closely with all of our Cloud Alliance partners, especially Yext. And I'm really excited to kind of dive in today to talk about our latest member to the Cloud Alliance, Yext. So a little bit about what we're going to do today. We're going to get a really brief overview just about what Cloud Alliance is, just in case you're not already aware. Then we're going to dive into an overview of Vulture, and then an overview of Yext, so you can see kind of our different offerings and what we can bring to the table together. Then we're going to dive a little bit into how the partnership works in whole, talking about certain things like global reach and such. And then we'll kind of wrap it up. We'll showcase a demo of what exactly is possible with Yext. And then we'll talk a little bit about pricing to give you an idea of what all this actually costs. A little foreshadowing, it's a lot cheaper than you expected, especially on the Vulture side. If you're an AWS house, stay tuned for that pricing slide because you'll be shocked at the cost savings you can have on your infrastructure. So the Cloud Alliance, this is a partnership that Vulture started earlier this year to bring together best of breed services with the best of breed infrastructure. We've partnered with many different companies at this point, Cloud 66, Backblaze, Domino Data Lab, Console Connect. We're talking about Yext today, and our most recent one, Zeet. All of these partners bring a certain set of services and products to Vulture that we normally would not be able to provide you with. We recognize that a lot of our customers are looking for solutions. They're not just looking for infrastructure. And our goal with the Cloud Alliance is to give you a big picture solution, whether you need to be running DevOps teams and you need a perfect CI/CD workflow, and Cloud 66 or Zeet can help you with that, or you need to expand your multi-cloud strategy using direct connect features that Console Connect can bring. Or if you're diving into AI, we offer quite a bit of GPU accelerated services at Vulture, but we expand on top of those with the partnership with Domino Data Lab. So you can easily deploy their platform on Vulture and get up and running on today's latest and greatest AI and machine learning technologies. On top of all of this, what's really exciting about our partnership today is Yext and Vulture are both proud members of the Machalance. And the Machalance, it's a not-for-profit industry body that advocates for open and best-of-breed enterprise technology ecosystems. Very similar to the Cloud Alliance, but Machalance takes it even further than that. They aim to educate and support the industry as a whole, as well as bringing together a certain set of Mach principles to really make startups and digital-first companies stand out from the rest. And Mach simply stands for microservices, API first, cloud native SaaS, and headless. All of those principles come together to make a technology ecosystem of your company very composable, very achievable, and very scalable at the end of the day. If you want to learn more about the Machalance, just head to themachalance.org and you can dive into a lot of what they have to offer and check out all of the members part of that. Okay, so a little bit about Vulture. We are the world's largest privately held independent cloud platform. We have 32 locations around the globe at this point. And these cloud data center locations are constantly growing. Just a year ago, we probably had 18 or so. So in just that short amount of time, we've expanded to many regions that many of the hyperscalers and the other independent cloud providers just have not touched. For instance, we have 3 data centers in India right now. Most of the hyperscalers and the independents only have 1. And we also just recently expanded into a couple new areas. Tel Aviv as one of them, and Sao Paulo as another. And you'll see this trend continue as Vulture continues to grow. We're constantly looking to expand this global footprint and really bring our ease of use, our performance, our predictable pricing to anyone around the world. And all of this comes together to really showcase how loyal some of our customers are. We have served over 1.5 million customers in 185 countries today. And the majority of those customers, they're still deploying new instances every single day. We're seeing upwards of 3 million plus new instances deployed on Vulture every single month. And you may be asking yourself, why does everybody trust Vulture? Well, it comes down to a few things that you see here. We're 100% bootstrapped and we're independent. We have only us to be accountable and our customers who hold us accountable. We are not worried about the share price or stockholders. We're here for you and to help you and your business succeed. And we do that by offering full stack cloud compute that is on demand, that's readily available. Once you sign up for a Vulture account, you can deploy any of our services anywhere in the world in just a few clicks. And we've recently expanded into GPU as a service, offering fractional to full cloud GPU clusters powered by NVIDIA's top-of-the-line data center GPUs. All of this comes together in a really simple and seamless dashboard that is also API first. So if you're a managed service provider and you're managing lots of customers on Vulture infrastructure, tap into our API and you can get access to all of our products very quickly and seamlessly integrated into your workflows. And all of this is backed up by transparent, predictable, and affordable pricing. You'll see that we're 20% cheaper than most independents. We're upwards of 80 or 90% cheaper than the hyperscalers, especially when you're a bandwidth-intensive company. We support multi-cloud strategy at the heart of our business. We recognize that some workloads are better served on Vulture, some workloads are better served on a hyperscaler, and we're here to support you on that, to help you eliminate vendor lock-in and bring your costs down. And we do all that by providing you with personalized onboarding and ongoing support. It's really a white glove service where we will walk you through the migration process, getting up and running, answer any questions you may have. And then we also have our Cloud Alliance, which is an ecosystem that no other cloud provider currently has. And we're very proud to be joined by a lot of our partners to help us really expand this world of composable infrastructure. So I talked a little bit about some of our core products, but now I want to dive into kind of the more specific products that we have available. Our cloud compute offering. This is Linux or Windows-based VMs. They are general purpose VMs. They can be optimized if you need more storage, you need more memory. We have plans that are specific for those use cases, all of which runs on the latest Intel and AMD hardware out there. Cloud GPU can run on any of our infrastructure services. So if you want to use your normal cloud compute with GPU acceleration, you can. If you want to have a bare metal cluster with 8-way GPU support, we support that as well. And we also support managed Kubernetes or Vulture Kubernetes engine with GPU acceleration. Bare metal is one offering that you don't see from like a hyperscaler. And that is something where we give you full access to the hardware down to literally the bare metal. You have total control of everything there is all the way down to the BIOS. And this also gives you the most performance without having any virtualization layer. Some of our ancillary services that can help you get up and running are like cloud storage. We offer block storage to attach to your instances to get bigger and faster storage sets, as well as object storage. If you are serving a ton of media assets around the world, our object storage can help you push those through. With networking, you'll see we have some enterprise-grade networking options that really allow you to dive into your own private cloud infrastructure. You have direct connection support. You can bring over your own IPs with BGP. Really anything you need to do on an advanced networking side, Vulture supports it. I talked a little bit about our managed Kubernetes service. This is a highly available, fully scalable service that's all managed for you. You can have a fully configured, up and running Kubernetes cluster within minutes. And same goes for our managed databases. Again, highly accessible, highly scalable, and very secure. We offer a lot of data redundancy and backups with our managed databases to make sure that within the click of a button, you're fully set up, ready to go, and you have a production-ready database that is rock solid. So that was a ton of information about Vulture, and I could go on this for days, but I really want to throw it over to our team at Yext so they can talk a little bit about what they can bring to the table.
Thanks for that, DJ. So shifting gears a little bit to Yext. So at Yext, it is our vision to empower every organization with modern AI-led architectures that dramatically improve efficiency and deliver seamless consumer-grade experiences. Our platform is built on a foundation of AI and prepares you for a conversational future. The Yext architecture is built on 3 layers. A data layer that collects, manages, cleans, and transforms the knowledge and content at your company. An artificial intelligence layer that manages the user experience, it recognizes user patterns, and generates content to fit the channel and customer. And finally, a multi-channel experience layer that delivers content and orchestrates seamless digital experiences across web, mobile, voice, and more. We want to make this available to everyone, not just the largest enterprises. For example, imagine a world where you want to launch a new product. You would just need basic information about the product, and these 3 layers would take care of the rest. AI would use existing information to generate descriptions, images, landing page copy, blogs, social posts, emails, and any other type of promotional content. The content would then be delivered across all channels where users engage with your business. With AI, it's now possible for you to scale output and deliver experiences that rival or outperform expectations set by the consumer web. We're here to help you turn that possibility into a reality. The Yext platform is made up of a set of API-first composable products that are built on a foundation of AI. As you see here, at the center of our platform is a headless DMS we call content. Adding content to the platform is easy. We use pre-built and custom integrations via our connectors framework to collect and organize a wide variety of structured and unstructured information from both inside and outside your organization. Once your content is organized into the platform, you can easily leverage a complementary set of products to deliver relevant, actionable answers wherever your customers, employees, or partners are looking for information. Starting here with the Listings product, Listings allows you to control and deliver digital experiences on third-party platforms like Google, Facebook, Bing, Apple, and more. Furthermore, you can monitor, respond to, and generate reviews about your business across third-party publishers with our Reviews product. With Pages, both content editors and developers can collaborate to build highly performant, SEO-optimized websites. With our Search offering, you can build and serve multiple different types of search experiences across any part of your organization. With Social, you can engage with your customers at scale on social media platforms. And lastly, with our newest and latest Chat product, you can leverage multiple large language models and other proprietary technology to deliver accurate natural language chat experiences over which you have full control. Furthermore, each of these products has robust analytic capabilities, so you can easily track your performance across both first and third-party experiences in order to better understand, predict, and adapt to consumer behavior. Supporting all of this, the Yext platform is built on top of a scalable, secure, and compliant cloud infrastructure that can deliver these experiences globally with low latency. We also offer enterprise-grade user roles and permissions, provide a robust app directory of integrations and software partners that make it very easy to work with our best-of-breed technology platforms, and is built on a foundation of AI and machine learning, which allows us to build and deploy new models and leverage them across any area of our entire technology stack. Teams can start small with a package solution or scale quickly by building custom solutions for advanced use cases. Yext has always had a headless DMS system since the company was founded in 2006. We started out just managing the content for businesses' location listings. Then we started to manage content for SEO landing pages, then for reviews, then for search, and now with chat experiences. Now we are a headless CMS capable of delivering content across all of these first and third-party experiences. We're a global company committed to delivering great digital experiences, and we are absolutely thrilled to be a part of the Vulture Cloud Alliance of best-in-class partners. With that, I'll hand it back over to DJ.
Awesome. There's a lot of good information about Vulture and Yext individually. Now let's talk about how this partnership really shines. We offer a solution really that gives you the ability to enhance your digital presence backed by your high performance cloud infrastructure. And that's a cost effective solution that allows any business to scale from just a regional shop to a fully global enterprise. With Vulture and Yext, you get online presence control unlike anything else you've ever seen. You've heard about the powerful search engine optimizations that Yext can bring in. That's all backed with artificial intelligence helping you out, which is all the rage in the world right now. And you saw a little bit about Vulture's global reach, where we're in areas that you can hardly find any support from any other cloud provider out there. All of this allows you to create stunning websites and digital user experiences available to anyone across the globe and really have your business grow for you and run like a business should run and in today's modern digital age. Just diving a little bit further into this, the digital experience side, this is where you're going to gain or lose users. Great digital experiences give you way more visibility in the market, and they unlock new customers and new audiences you may have never thought about before. If you have underperforming content or you have lack of intelligent personalization, these are things that most consumers expect nowadays. They expect, that their name to be all over your product, and that's somewhere where Yext can help. With all of this, you don't have to worry about all of the individual pieces coming together. Vulture can help on the infrastructure side to help you build that underlying website foundation. And then Yext can come in with their headless tools to really get you up and running and make that website as best as it can possibly be and make your business stand out amongst the rest. So today's a really brief overview of kind of everything that we've talked about. But if you want to dive in deeper, we do have a number of assets on the Vulture website that can really give you a lot more information on Vulture and Yext. This is one that is our solution brief. You'll find this on our Yext membership page. That if you're watching this video on our membership page, it'll be just above it. If you're watching this video on our YouTube or our social accounts, you can find this over at the Vulture website under the Cloud Alliance Members tab. And with all of this, we know it's a lot of words, but we want to show you what's possible now. So we're going to kick it over to a video prepared by the Yext team that kind of dives into what you can expect when you put all of this together.
Yext is a platform to enable businesses to build modern AI-driven digital experiences. I want to start off by showing you an example of one of these experiences. For the purpose of demonstration, I'm going to use a fictional ski shop in Durango, Colorado called the Ski Warehouse. So let's take a quick tour of that digital experience. The digital experience for this ski shop starts on third-party sites like Google, Facebook, Bing, Apple, and many more. You can see when we search for skis in Durango, Colorado, that the ski warehouse shows up in the results. When I click on the listing, you see information about the store in addition to reviews and social posts for an offer for the Nordica Enforcer skis. All of this is powered by Yext listings and reviews. You can also click through to the website. Here is the main website for Ski Warehouse, all built on Yext pages. It has navigation, shopping cart integration, product search, category pages, and featured products. All of this is powered by Yext pages and Yext search. At the bottom, it has something called guided search. This is a wizard-like flow that helps the customer select the right product for them, even if they don't know what they're looking for. Let's go through the ski guided search flow now. The flow will ask a series of questions to help narrow down the choice for recommended skis. This experience also has our recently announced large language model chatbot called Yext Chat integrated right into the page. Yext Chat is acting as a shopping assistant that helps the user as they go through their journey. So we can ask it questions like, what are all mountain skis? Or what's the difference between that and big mountain? Or we can even ask it, how late is the Durango location open until? Pretty good. All right, let's select all mountain skis and continue through our guided search. The guide has recommended a number of skis at different prices based on the questions answered. You can also do classic product search to find a product. Let me search for Nordica Enforcer 100s. This is product search, classic product search, where you can sort by price, name, or change the different facets. Let's click into the Enforcers, and it will take you to the product page. This page has images, descriptions, specs, related products, and product reviews, all powered by the Yext platform. This site also has support functionality. So you can ask questions like, what is the return policy? And get a great answer. Or types of ski bindings. We also get a great answer with articles, FAQs, and videos. Everything you saw here was built and delivered on the Yext platform. All of the content you saw on Google, in search, on the website, in chat, is all stored in our headless content management solution that we call the Knowledge Graph. And the entire customer journey is all powered by Yext.
And lastly, now that we've seen everything that there is to offer between Vulture and Yext, and you see exactly what you get by using Yext to expand your digital reputation across a number of different outlets, you might be asking, well, what does all this cost? And on the Vulture side of things, your infrastructure becomes incredibly cheap. And it's not just cheap infrastructure, it's high performance and affordable. So right here, I'm showing a dedicated virtual machine instance or virtual private server instance across some of the big key players in the industry right now. Us, DigitalOcean, and AWS. You can see that we're quite a bit less than DigitalOcean is, especially since DigitalOcean just recently announced 20% price increases. And we have kept our prices pretty much the same since we started. All of our plans include storage and bandwidth, which is something you're not going to see on the AWS side. If you're already using your infrastructure on AWS, without storage and without bandwidth, you're almost double the price of, you're more than double the price of Vulture at that point. When you start adding in bandwidth and you start adding in storage to make your complete virtual machine solution, it becomes very expensive. especially when you talk about bandwidth overage costs. Until you run out of that 7 terabytes of bandwidth Vulture offers, you're not charged anything extra. When you're going into your 8 terabyte, that's when we'll start charging. But we have a single flat rate of 1 cent per gigabyte, no matter where you're at in the world, which is almost unheard of amongst all these players. For instance, AWS can charge up to 9 cents per gigabyte. And that's from the day you start serving bandwidth. So this gives you a really good picture of what a complete solution would look like. And for Yext, when you want to add them onto this, jump over to their website at yaxed.com. They have a number of different plans, and you can really dive in and pick the plan that is right for your business. And with that, I just want to say thank you very much for tuning in today. It's a ton of information. So if you have any questions, jump over to the Vulture website, jump over to the Yext website, hit the contact us buttons, and we'd love to talk to you about what we can bring to the table together. Other than that, I just want to say thank you very much again, and I look forward to talking to all of you soon.